Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're pulling back the curtain on one of the most fascinating and honestly, maybe a little bit unsettling corners of the internet right now, the automated faceless video economy. You've probably seen these while scrolling, right? The moody black and white visuals, that deep authoritative voice, and those psychological truths that just seem to perfectly hook your attention. Well, let's dive right into this, because what we're looking at here, it's not a passionate creator sharing their life's work. No, it's a highly engineered digital assembly line. And in this explainer, I'm going to reveal the exact step-by-step system behind these viral hits, based entirely on a recently exposed blueprint. To put this in perspective, the sheer scale of what this system can achieve is just staggering. The source material we're analyzing reveals that a single faceless psychology channel using this exact AI method is generating anywhere from $1 up to $17,000 every single month. Literally, let that sink in. 17 grand a month for content where a human being never steps in front of a camera, never speaks into a microphone, and honestly never physically draws a single frame of animation. And hey, if you think that kind of revenue comes from years and years of grinding out content, think again. The channel in question achieved this incredible financial and viral success in a remarkably short time frame. It's just 5 months old. 5 months, and it's already racked up 147,000 subscribers. So the absolute crucial point here is that this isn't just luck. As our source emphasizes, there is a strict, repeatable, strategic process at play that perfectly blends storytelling, emotion, and AI tools to intentionally resonate with a massive global audience.
So how exactly is this done? Well, here's our roadmap to logically reverse engineer this digital assembly line step by step. We're going to cover the faceless video economy, writing the viral script, generating AI visuals, animation and voiceover, editing and final assembly, and finally, analyzing the final output. Let's get into it.
All right, starting with section 1, the faceless video economy. To really grasp this economy, you kind of have to understand the manufacturing mindset behind it. This whole process completely replaces traditional human effort with a highly specific stack of artificial intelligence. It's basically a factory. And here is the exact blueprint for that factory. What we're looking at is a 100% free tool stack used to mass-produce these viral hits. Literally everything is delegated. ChatGPT handles the script writing, image generation is pushed through Google AI Studio, specifically using an option called Nano Banana. Then the animation is handled by Grow AI, and the voiceover, that's generated by Minimax. It is a literal manufacturing pipeline where raw AI output is just passed directly from one free program to the next.
Moving right along into section 2, writing the viral script. Now, tools are useless without a blueprint, right? And according to our source, the script is absolutely the single most important part of this entire process. In the psychology niche, the audience's primary desire is to feel understood. That feeling is why they click, and it's exactly why they stay.
Because think about it, if you just ask AI to write a psychology video, you're going to get a super robotic script. Viewers instantly recognize that and they'll click away in seconds. The source makes it clear that your content simply will not perform if it sounds like a machine wrote it. Instead, the creator specifically engineers the AI to produce human, emotional, and highly relatable scripting. They are essentially, and this is wild, training the AI to mimic human empathy.
So how do they train it? Well, it's a very precise 3-step process. First, they copy a successful reference channel's information right into ChatGPT and ask it to analyze their views, their niche, and their overall strategy. Second, they ask ChatGPT for a list of related viral topics based on that exact analysis. But here is the secret sauce in step 3. They take 2 or 3 transcripts from the reference channel's most popular videos and feed them directly into ChatGPT. This actually forces the AI to learn the exact writing style, tone, and pacing of content that is already proven to trigger human emotion. Only after all that do they input their final prompt to generate the new script.
Okay, section 3, generating AI visuals. So now that the emotional script is locked in, we move over to the visual production phase. And just like the script, the creator isn't coming up with some original art style from scratch. No, they are reverse engineering the visual style of their successful competitors.
The workflow here is incredibly methodical. First up, they take screenshots from those successful reference videos and give them to ChatGPT, asking the AI to analyze the visual and animation style. Then they feed their newly generated script back into ChatGPT, but just one line at a time. For every single line, ChatGPT writes a highly specific image prompt with a strict instruction to include a black and white styling directive. The creator saves these prompts line by line into a document and then systematically runs them through Google AI Studio to mass generate all the still images.
Now, there is a minor hiccup in this pipeline, but the workaround is actually fascinating. The generated images often just don't fit the standard YouTube widescreen format. So the creator uses another clever little AI trick. They upload the generated image alongside a completely blank 16:9 image and prompt the AI to automatically expand and fit the generated art to match that perfect YouTube-friendly widescreen aspect ratio. Boom! Problem solved.
Which brings us to Section 4, Animation and Voiceover. So we've got a script and we have our static images. Now we need motion and sound to bring this whole thing to life. And again, this is done without ever stepping in front of a camera or picking up a microphone. To create visual motion, the creator takes those 16:9 static images and uploads them into a tool called Grue AI. By simply selecting the imaging option, the software takes just a few seconds to add what the source calls a normal animation to the still frame, so it adds subtle movement. Maybe it's a slow zoom or a gentle panning effect, turning a completely static AI drawing into a highly usable video clip. They literally just repeat this process for every single image.
And for the audio, they turn to Minimax Audio. The creator specifically searches the voice library for a tone that fits the psychology niche perfectly, landing on a voice profile that's literally called Wise Scholar. They just paste the ChatGPT script right into the text-to-speech engine, hit generate, and instantly download a deep, authoritative, and completely artificial narration.
All right, Section 5, Editing and Final Assembly. We have officially reached the climax of the manufacturing process. This is the exact moment where all these raw AI materials are stitched together in a way that is specifically designed to manipulate viewer retention. The creator uses CapCut for this, and they systematically layer specific choices to trigger emotional engagement. First, they drop the voiceover in, and then arrange the video clips. To make absolutely sure the visuals perfectly sync with the pacing of the script, they physically slow down the speed of the generated video clips. Next up, they apply a very specific retro effect called Noise 2 across the entire video. This gives it a really subtle, moody, cinematic texture. Then, they add simple black fades or mixed dissolves between the clips. After that, they generate minimal, easily readable animated auto captions. And finally, the emotional anchor. They add sad, uncopyrighted background music straight from the YouTube audio library to make the whole video feel profound and engaging. You hit export, and the whole shebang is done. Finally, Section 6, Analyzing the Final Output. We've seen the machinery behind the curtain, but what exactly is this technology actually churning out? Well, let's take an objective look at the case study demo video produced by this automated system.
The subject matter of the source's demo video focuses heavily on female psychology, specifically exploring emotional signals and brain connectivity. The AI script claims that from birth, the female brain develops stronger connections between the amygdala, which is the emotion center, and the prefrontal cortex, which reads behavior. Now, this right here is a perfect example of the highly charged, pseudo-educational content this pipeline is specifically designed to create.
Just look at this direct quote from the generated script. It says, "She doesn't manipulate with words, she manipulates with feelings. A silence that makes you anxious, a sigh that makes you question yourself, a tear that changes your tone." This perfectly illustrates the exact type of evocative, dramatic phrasing that the ChatGPT prompt engineered to hook a viewer. It is meticulously designed to sound deeply insightful and instantly relatable to a very specific audience. The script then leverages some core psychological concepts to keep those audiences watching. For example, it describes a reward loop. The AI narrator explains that this dynamic actually mimics addiction behavior. Attention is given, so dopamine rises. Attention is withdrawn, dopamine crashes, and the viewer essentially chases the high again. The video frames this push and pull dynamic as a way that logic is completely overridden by emotion. It's a heavy, intense topic, all meticulously assembled by free software. Which honestly brings us to a rather profound realization, doesn't it? We have just watched a machine perfectly synthesize human empathy, melancholy, and psychological tension, and then package it all into a sleek, profitable 5-minute video. So I'll leave you with this to think about the next time you find yourself deeply moved by a faceless video on your feed. Are the emotions you feel while scrolling genuine, or are they just the result of a well-engineered AI prompt? Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I will catch you in the next one.